false landing.
Okay, clear the area. Toes down, power up. Dick Rochfort here. This is our loft line-oriented flight training from Gillespie, San Diego, up to Victor Oscar, Noss Field. Toes down, power up. Power's coming up. Heat is alive. Gauges are green. Annunciator clear. 60 knots. Cross check. Hold it still now. Push hard with both feet on the rudders only. Positive rate. Gear flaps. Trim. Anchor your fingers away from the power lever. Autopilot on. Tractor bars are in the blue. Airplane's doing as commanded. 2 fingers on the yoke at all times. Fuel flow. Pumps, igniters to manual.
Please stay in manual. Don't do anything, right?
Landing light off.
Alright, so I've taken my breath.
Pass the base and top support to the next controller. Contact SoCal departure. Good day.
Good day, 2-pop Mike.
Sir, straight 4 Whiskey, SoCal, go ahead.
384 Whiskey, 1022, level at 6,500, 7 miles east of Ramona, requesting a localizer approach to Gillespie. Information call.
Departure Meridian 952 Papa Mike's 1.7 for 3000, heading 320.
Meridian 952 Papa Mike, SoCal departure, radar contact, climb and maintain 8,000.
8000, 2-pop Mike.
Sirius 84 Whiskey, squawk 5260.
5260, 384 Whiskey.
I noticed that when you leave the cursor on the G1000, you got a segmented map of that fix. That's a little better. Once we get to manual sequence, which is sequence 2, heading 320, and Gwyn is next. But it isn't going to sequence to Gwyn. You have to listen up and do what center says. If we lose radios, you proceed to Gwyn. That's what that manual sequence means. Right, I didn't get the bases. Tops at 37.
160, maintain 5,500. Expect the IFR clearance with the next dude.
Heading 160, 5,500, cruiser Bravo airspace, and expecting the clearance with the next controller, 384 Whiskey.
And SoCal Vision Jet 987 Mike Kilo, 8500, looking for the VOR DME Alpha into Ramona.
Vision Jet 7 Mike Kilo, climb and maintain 9,000.
Climb and maintain 9,000, 7 Mike Kilo.
Approach 2-papa Mike, bases 2.8, tops 3.7.
Meridian 2 Papa Mike, thank you. Clear direct Gwyn.
Direct Gwyn, 2-pop Mike. Now I go to auto.
That could have been done.
Jet 7 Mike Kilo, cleared to the Ramona
And the cleanup.
Cross Julian at 9,000.
That's after the gear and the flaps are up. Trim is set. The autopilot's on.
Or VOR
Bars are in the blue. Airplane's doing as commanded. We come up again. Auto.
Julian at 9,000.
Hots, lights, etc. Nicely done.
Ramona 987 Mike Kilo.
Rochfort, fly safely. Train off.
405 Charlie Alpha, 4,000, climbing 5,000.
Archer 405 Charlie Alpha, climb and maintain 5,000, heading 110, please.
Heading 110, 5,000, 405 Charlie Alpha.